Whew. What a lockdown that was, eh? Quite the lockdown. So, morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. I'm in Negril. I have been for the entirety of the lockdown. For all the persons who are just tuning in, persons who have been here for, you guys know, you've seen the videos. So, spent the entirety of my lockdown in Negril shooting with Richard Brown Films. And if I were to summarize this with one word, I would say the experience was amazing. No, it really was. It was quite the experience. I mean, used to be a police officer. I've had some amazing experiences where that is concerned, but this, it's really unique. And you guys have seen the videos, but it was, I think it pales in comparison. It pales in comparison when you're actually here. And trust me, to have you understand before I begin to elaborate, this won't be a long video, guys. And oh, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. The channel is at 1,000 subscribers and we did that all together. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Growth. So yes, I'm saying it's amazing, you know, seeing different personalities come together, persons cooperating and creating content we can all enjoy and appreciate and learn from, and being let into the world of those persons who come together and create all of that. Because in the videos you guys see me talking to, you know, these aspiring actors to find out how the link between them and Richard Brown came to be, you know, where the passion is coming from. And for me, I don't know about anyone else, but I always find that amazing, you know, talking to people, learning about them by way of, you know, having them share their worlds with you. Because that's what life is about, not true? About living. So it's something that is growing. We're growing over here because earlier this January we were at 100 subscribers. Now we're at 1,000. It's the same thing with Richard Brown Films. The entire movement, you know, everyone is leaving now. So everyone is getting their stuff together to leave now. The lockdown ended yesterday. So everyone is getting their things together so they can leave and go and sort out what they must sort out. And honestly, I feel one bit of nostalgia right now. I miss them because it's nice, guys. You've seen the videos, the experience of persons waking up in the morning, eating, all of that. It is just amazing. You develop one kind of bond and it happens so seamless, you know. So yeah, one little bit of nostalgia to them. I miss them. So yes, as I was saying, it's growth. So we're going to have new persons coming in, more behind the scenes, more movies, because me talk to Fires and it don't look like somebody will run out of movie ideas them anytime soon.
Come on, look around, yeah. I think I just side as I actually still looking at what we're going to do, go put it and then we try to figure out the shoot after the so if you go do where you go to sit there, you put money, you put in your carry card.
And definitely, you can definitely count on me to be here and capture the things. Because I'm not really capture nothing, you know. If you guys know, when I used to shoot weddings and catch the real candid moments, I'm not catch nothing yet, man. I'm not catch nothing yet. And you guys know, with growth, you know them say practice makes perfect, and not really perfect. Practice makes better. So over time, you guys will follow along and you will see, over time this thing will get better. So the movies will get better, the actors, the actresses will get better, the whole system will get better, and this whole movie industry that you guys hear Richard Brown always talking about, that will also get better. So definitely stay tuned, because yours truly, Mr. Lawrence, I got there to capture the growth. We're going to capture the growth. You guys can be entertained, you can share your opinion, and we can learn and grow from that. The live videos, so definitely make sure you click the notification bell when you subscribe, so you get a notification all the time when we go live. And also, as soon as new videos are released, you guys will see them. So definitely hit the notification bell. I don't know if I mentioned it a while ago or earlier, but my passion for video filmmaking and all of that, it will also get better. So everything will get better. I don't know if you just stay tuned, like the videos, subscribe, share, everything, all the things and for make the algorithm like this thing over here. But all in all, to sum up everything, it's amazing. And You know, I just I look forward to everything. Just I look forward to everything. So that was my lockdown in a nutshell. You can share with me in the comment section what yours was like. But mine was spent shooting videos with Richard Brown in Negril, Nampwell, and it was quite the experience. I learned a lot, I enjoyed myself, and it was amazing. So you guys, I know if you know so I'm a part of that as well, because contribution make this thing possible where persons can come here, we have food to eat, we have resources what we need to make the movies, although we need more, but thank God for what we have now. So una part of it, that's basically what I say, a big part of it, so don't feel left out. So yeah, not a long video. Thank you for your 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for coming along with this journey that is going to continue, and thank you for your continued support. Yeah. So shall see if I can go talk to some people. This is not where the video ends, but if nobody don't really want to talk and we go down, then this is where the video ends. So big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Let's come more.
I already know what one in the rest.
Your brother sauce soap, man.
I don't tell the say. Rasta, you
So,
don't
bro.
know what you do. You don't know what you do.
Beg you 1 second and I'm bro. So today was last day of lockdown or lockdown lift up today.
Lockdown lift up.
So it's a no start. Like you're still tired, Papa.
No, I'm not tired. I don't know anything about the early wake up, so.
So everybody I go back at the inbound today. Everybody I go back at the inbound today. I come over here, so funny.
Yeah, man, so everybody at home this evening. So I'll just try to finish up and grill up or grill up. In terms of things that we shoot over a weekend.
So I want first time this year general like everybody I come together over a weekend.
No,
Black
I
Sound place.
second time this one.
I second time.
Never find what you always say. I second time, man.
Look like
So editor sir,
just wait.
your first time experience this? You look like you're ready for get yard it.
That's more ready for do.
You look like you're gonna do this evening if I'm not lockdown.
Yeah, man, do some work, man. I work off the barn, I'm gonna find a shot down in Sisa.
So for us, from we have vlog, we're not chat here, my boss.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? But I want the top set spin my man as a writer, you know? And bag of things go on, let's try to get that thing done because if you launch the next channel now, Jammy Wood, you see? So a bag of things, so we have enough work for this. Man, you know, so not yet, man, a bag of things go on.
So you want a summary of lockdown. If you were to describe the lockdown and you work and a film over the whole lockdown, what the experience like? Just describe that for me.
Well, I know still lockdown, you know. Babylon system pop down, but I know lockdown. I did feel like a bird long time, I never choose to go nowhere.
Yeah, alright,
Before
good boy.
lockdown, I never know where said we. I don't choose to go nowhere.
Lockdown is no difference.
Alright, good boy.